S for scientist.
Scientist. A scientist is a person engaging in a systematic activity to acquire knowledge that describes and predicts the natural world.
C is for collaborative.
Collaborative. Conduct of peer-reviewed research outside the classified realm. For scientists working in classified areas, collaboration with university programs and researchers provide opportunities to expand their career opportunities and strengthen their science through the conduct of peer-reviewed, open literature research.
I is for invention.
Science is focused on inventing new things and researching on how to improve and address current problems. Inventing and improvement goes hand in hand. Therefore, inventions are a crucial part in science and research.
E is for energy.
Energy. Science classifies energy into two categories, the kinetic moving energy and potential stored energy. Kinetic energy is a property of a moving object or particle and depends not only on its motion but also on its mass, while potential energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position relative to others, stresses within itself, electric charge, and other factors.
N for neurons.
Neurons. A neuron is also known as a nerve cell, and neuron in British spelling. Scientists studied that neuron is an electrically excitable cell or active cell in receiving, processing, and transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals.
C for chemistry.
Chemistry. Chemistry is the scientific discipline involved with compounds composed of atoms, elements, and molecules.
E for electrons.
Electrons. An electron is a very small piece of matter and energy. Its symbol is E negative. The electron is a subatomic particle. It is believed to be an elementary particle because it cannot be broken down into anything. It is negatively charged and moves almost at the speed of light. Electrons take part in gravitational, electromagnetic, and weak interaction. The electricity that powers radios, motors, and many other things is many electrons moving through.
T is for transportation.
Transportation. Technology has impacted the modern transportation. Transportation has become faster, like individuals can move rapidly, starting with one place then on to the next. In the past, people cannot travel as rapidly as today because of not having enough modern transportation.
E for electricity.
Electricity. Electricity is one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. It has also become a part of modern life, and one cannot think of a world without it. Electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. It is used for lighting rooms, working fans, and domestic appliances like using electric stove and more.
C is for communicate.
Communicating using technology and communication has become a necessity. It's now part of our lives. People communicate through emails, faxes, mobile phones, texting service, video conferences, video chat rooms, and social media channels. As time goes on, more emerging technologies will change the way we communicate, and it will be up to us to embrace them or not.
H for history.
History. The history goes back to the things as simple as the wheel, pulley, and lever. This kinds of technology has long since been the foundation of the technology we use today. It has been the basis of human life easier and lessen the workload for humans.
N stand for nation.
Nation adopted new technologies that strongly affects whether those nations are rich or poor today.
O is for opportunity.
Technological advancements has opened and provided more opportunities because of its rapidly growing network of services and information gathered through even the most simplest form of technology. We are more connected, well-informed, and more competent with the help of modern-day technology.
L for life.
Technology can affect life both positively and negatively. New technology always changes our life very much and takes it to a new level.
O is for output.
Output. With present technology, output has been increased, therefore making men more competent. Through the advancement and development of more modern technologies like printers, fax machines, and the internet, workload has been lessened while production has been increased.
G is for globalization.
Globalization is the process by which businesses or other organizations develop international influence or start operating on an international scale.
Y for years.
Through the years, our technology became modern and it is still developed and more powerful. Our traditional community changed into a modern society after a year.
S is for standard.
Standards. In a society, there must be standards set so that everyone can follow and fit in, just like how our Filipino heroes set the standards on how to love, defend, and cherish the country. We must also set standards in the society during our generation today.
O for order.
Order. A society with order is a peaceful society. It is enveloped by laws and restricts chaos.
C for coexistence.
Coexisting in society is a huge part in the day-to-day lives of everyone. Each of us has different roles to portray.
I for idea.
Society filled with ideas is a society filled with hope and prosperity. All ideas can be shared, discussed, and sometimes those ideas turns into realities, making the society better.
E for evolution.
A society never remains stagnant, it always evolves. Every day new ideas, new concepts, and new things we develop comes up and revolutionize the society we live in today.
Y is for youth.
For youth. Youth. They say that the youth is the key to a better tomorrow. The youth is the future, and the future is now. Nowadays, societies mostly consist of the young, giving way to a broader and much advanced way of dealing with things. Advancement into living a better life and training the youth into taking over the work done by our predecessors.